Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a processing fee on Square. Whether you're charging customers a small convenience fee or just want to recover card transaction costs, this video will help you set it up easily. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Here in the Square dashboard, I want you to hover to the left side area and click the gear icon that says settings, because this will give you more options, and I want you to click the account and settings, which has a drop down menu. From here, I want you to click the payments. There is another drop down menu, and as you may notice, this is what we need to click, which is the service charge. From here, I want you to click the create a service charge, and let's say we can name it as processing fee. All right. You can put in the amount if you wanted, like, is it going to be like a percentage, variable amount, variable percentage? It's up to you. Okay. Now, if it's going to be a variable amount or a percentage right here, you can put in the amount that you wanted. For example, that's going to be like 69. The location, if you want to edit that, if you have like a physical location or a branch, you can do that. You can also tweak the settings for sales taxes depending on your region or country. And you can also if you want to apply that to different items, you can do that. But by default, you can simply click the save button, because this will enable you to create the service charge successfully. Now, after saving your service charge, okay, you can create a test transactions. If you go here in the payments and invoices, go to transactions, you'll see the processing fee appear in the order summary right before your payment. If the amount looks correct, you are good to go. Now, thing is, if you are having problems adding a processing fee on your Square account, the last option that you can do is go here at the support. You can reach them at these channels. You can call at these numbers, chat, or email, and explain your situation and that you are having problems adding a processing fee on Square, and they'll be more than glad to provide you some troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add a processing fee on Square. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.